Hello everyone, my name is Josh. I'm in APL and today we're going to be looking at how to make bread. You'll need plain flour, 2 cups of plain flour, 2 tablespoons of olive oil, 1 7-gram packet of dry yeast, and 2 teaspoons of caster sugar. White or brown sugar will do. So the bread's done in the oven now. It's time to take it out. Oh wow, doesn't that just look great? Oh yeah, look on the inside there. Awesome, and here we have a bit of olive oil. Let's just get the middle part. A bit of olive oil, bit of salt, bit of pepper and herbs, and a nice little leaf of basil. Let's try it. Best bread I've ever had, and I think you'll enjoy it too.